Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Think VGF. In this channel, we are going to discuss about one of the earning plannings we can have, and I personally called it Plan B. If you are a person having just one resource of earning and never have Plan B, then you need to think about it. Or if you are a homemaker while taking care of your family, staying at home you want to earn, or you are a student, want to have some pocket money or college fee you want to pay by yourself, or want to earn while studying to support your family. Or you could be a person who is unemployed since long time, or due to this global pandemic you are having fear of losing jobs or fired from your jobs. Or you could be a person having business, but yet due to this, especially due to this pandemic, you are losing your customers, your businesses are shut down or halted. Or you are a person thinking, can I beat the inflation or economic slowdown? If you do not know the answer or you are doubtful about it, then you are at the right channel. Or you may be a person thinking that you have enough for yourself and for your family members. But my question to you is, do you have more than sufficient to help other people? If no, let's go and discuss about the plan. The plan is about multi-level marketing. I know many people may run away when they hear the term multi-level marketing or network marketing, but I assure you, keep on watching this video and the coming videos, definitely you will like it. Because multi-level marketing is a home business. During this lockdown, you may not go outside, but staying at home you can continue this business. That is most benefited business during lockdown. And this business are of two types. One is product based, one is service based. And the business that I am going to share today is about service based business. The name of the company is VGF International Holiday or VGF Club International Holiday. So by this time you must have understood that it is a tourism based company which is incorporated on January 2018. Mr. Rajiv Jashwal is the CEO and MD of the company, who has almost 20 years of experience in network marketing, and this company has been registered in Thailand and in India. So, because I said it is a service based company, service based multi level marketing. So, what exactly the company is selling or what exactly you need to buy? Generally, company is selling you a Thailand package which is of 44,999 rupees. But company is not asking you to pay this 45,000 rupees. It's asking you to pay only 1500 rupees plus 270 GST. And once you pay this amount, that is 1770 rupees, and sell this plan to other people, you will get this discount, 10% discount, and when you use it 2499 rupees discount you will get it. But you may be asking, I'm here to earn money, then why I will spend this much of money, 2000 to 770 rupees? Then my answer is, once you join this company or join this membership, you are capable enough to earn 13 crore rupees in 36 months. Let me repeat, you are capable to earn 13 crore rupees. Company doesn't promise that you will earn 13 crore. If you work, you will earn 13 crore rupees. So if you want to know more about this project, or you want to know more about this membership, or you want to join in my network who has already information about VGF, you can write to me at thinkvgf@gmail.com. And in the next video, I'm going to discuss about business model of this membership and some challenges you may face or you may be thinking, some queries, and the upcoming updates of the company. And if you like this video, then please like and subscribe and hit to the bell icon to get the further notification about the upcoming videos where you will get more knowledge. Thank you.